So if you were one of those persons who was wishing for this not to happen, I'm here to tell you that it is official that
And on we'll go.
I got a job. I really don't want my YouTube channel to be a channel that I only come to tell you guys bad news or sad news. I want to share good and excited news with you guys as well. So it is official that I got a job and I'm super happy. I'm super happy. I'm super excited about this. Like, I'm so relieved. I was so stressed out that I would be staying home, not getting any pay, which I still stay home, but at least I will be getting some cha-ching in my pocket. So yes, like, I'm so happy. This happened about 2 days ago now. Yes, 2 days ago now from today, 2 days ago, and I'm just so relieved. And you know what happened too, as according to mommy said, you sell yourself, because I got the job on spot. I got the job on the spot. Like, after going to the interview, I like got the job right after them asked me the question. Like, after them finished interviewing me, they just asked me to step outside for a few minutes, and then from there, like about 5 minutes after, I got the job. So yes, like, I'm super excited. I've messed up before. Like, will not understand how good I'm feeling, because you guys over here witness and know that I was like really going in depressed mode for not like getting a job as yet, for not getting any call from anybody, from just having this whole thought that nothing is going to happen. And I'm super happy about it. I'm super happy about it, and I'm so relieved. Like, I'm not even thinking about how many work I have to do, or make have to do, or how many stress this comes with, or me not think about that. I'm just super happy. I'm super excited. I'm just so relieved that something happened, something came through for me, and I'm super happy. You know what? And this wasn't like I have been through many different interviews. This was the only interview that I went to. This was the only one that I went to, and this is because that most of the schools that I applied to, when I called, for one, they said I was not added to the shortlisted option, or for another reason. Some of these institutions, they are waiting on the government to send them that letter to say that okay, it is okay to get a new teacher on staff or whatever, or anything like that. Like, people, I'm super happy. And the interview, I think it gonna mash me up, but it never mashed me up, because I was really prepared for this. Like, I was really prepared for this. Like, I have been I studied like arithmetic. Like, it's like I SWOT everything, so me just do like keep on reinforce what I'm going to say, because I keep on asking my friends who have been employed already, like, what are the questions they're going to ask. And it's just like I'm just, as I said before, I've just been reinforcing myself with like the questions, how I'm going to answer them, and like, yeah. So the good news is that all of that happened, and you know, this is just like a video I'm making to say, like, people don't give up on what you guys want to happen. Like, if you have faith in whatever you think is going to happen, it will happen. Like, just give it time. Like, you know, at no point I thought that, you know, that I really was going to stay home. At no point. But you want something to happen right away, and it doesn't happen right away. It gives you this feeling that you're wondering, like, really and truly, what is happening? Am I just that one bad lucky person? Because all of my friends, them like, me and hear all of my friends, them say, them get dropped and this and that, and you know, get none, and every time I keep on I say no, and like, no, I'm super happy. Like, when I got it, I did not tell anyone at first. The first person I told was my mom. I go and tell mommy, and mommy was mommy. I tell mommy say, "How was the interview?" I'm going back off the jacket like he was like, and she was like, "How was the interview?" So I said, "I did alright," and she said, "So alright, how? What really or whatever?" I'm gonna say I did alright, and then she said, "What am say? I'm gonna get a job," and she said, "What? Me happy for you? I get a job?" I'm gonna say yes, and she said, "Gagwan, yes, me girl," and you know, like she, cause most time when you do interview, they call you to say, they will tell you that, okay, we're gonna call you in whatever time to let you guys know if you get a job. But I guess because school is like supposed to open, even though they say October the 5th, I think for September the 7th there will be online classes. I'm not 100% sure on what it is, but my school did tell me that. But Mr. Babes coming out with books, palm books, like him come with them Molly book here as a teacher. Him have this. This is not half of it. All on people. With this here, like, are you guys seeing? So this with all of this, like, enough focus, but it heavy. Like all of these, and if you teach online classes, I think that would be much more difficult for us, because you know, in school, like, you can just kind of more freestyle, like, you know. But online classes, you have to make sure that you have your internet, you have to make sure that you know your knowledge or whatever. Even though you can do it, yeah, then you look to the books, and it's still going to be a harder process. But I don't mind. I'm just super relieved that this is going to happen for me. And sorry, it was not just a whole trial error thing that did not happen, like it just failed completely. It actually happened for me. So yeah, so if you're right now, if you're one of those persons out there waiting and thinking that nothing's gonna happen, no lose faith in God, because I see when we're going on the interview, like, first of all, I was super early, because with all my plan to go introduce myself, it had this whole thing saying that I'm a very punctual person. Yes, me, like, so I had to be there very early. But you know, other from that, when you're going for these stuff, you need to be as early as possible, because punctuality, sell yourself. You see, punctuality is key. It makes you reliable. It makes people look upon you different. It makes people realize that, because when I got there, me are the only one today. Nobody was there. The principal never come there yet. Who would I do interview, like the rest of the person? Nobody never did that yet. Nobody at all. So I was the only person there sitting on the compound, just reinforcing what I'm going to do, reinforcing my plans, that if I got the question that to say, okay, how would you care to plan online or whatever, and all of that, then yes, I would be on point and ready to say that, okay, this is how I would do it and whatever. And I must sung them about half an hour before the principal come in. And when she came, when she looked and she saw me, she was like, wow, you know, she had drive past and she said, wow. So, you know, I was early, I was on time, and I was ready to do what I went there to do, and that was to sell myself, and sell myself to the best of my ability, like the best way I could. And just don't give up on whatever you guys think you guys want. It no matter if it's anything at all, like no let go. You see the man the God, no let go of him, no let go of him, no let go of the faith that him instilling a we say, like, okay, we should have faith in him, not give up on whatever we think that we want. Trust me, do not give up on it. I'm super happy, and just to complete this whole process, I do have some forms to fill out. I have my medical to do, some stuff to photocopy, so today we might be going on the road to do all of that, so I might be vlogging, I'm not really sure. But yes, for all those on my channel who was saying that this is going to happen, just don't give up, have the faith, soon will happen. I'm just here to tell you guys that it did happen, and I'm super grateful for the continuous support that you guys over here has been giving me, and I'm so happy for my YouTube channel family. And yes, so guys, until another video or another vlog, subscribe, big up yourself, don't lose faith in the God, share the video, comment down below, give the video a big thumbs up. Until another video, another vlog, I'm your girl DOM.